Curious whether the Engwe L20 3.0 Boost really lives up to the hype as a foldable, high-torque e-bike? In this BrightReviewz breakdown, we'll examine comfort, battery life, build quality, torque, and how the UK-EU 250-watt version compares to its boosted variant. Use code BrightReviewz via the link in the description to save. Let's dive in. Motor 250 watts, torque 75, Newton meters, battery 48 volts, 13.5 amp hours, removable approximately 648 watt hours, range up to 160 kilometers, ideal conditions, full suspension and fold design. L20 Boost offers a foldable frame with suspension and fatish, 20 x 3.0-inch tires, optimizing both stability and city maneuverability. The upright riding position, combined with suspension, helps smooth out bumps. User feedback suggests modest comfort on long rides. Padding upgrades may help. The folding mechanism allows compact storage in smaller spaces. Battery specs, 48 volts, 13.5 amp hours removable pack, giving approximately 648 watt hours of usable capacity. Engwe claims up to 160 kilometers range under low assist usage and ideal conditions. But real-world experience for most riders places effective range anywhere from 70 to 140 kilometers, depending on terrain, load, assist level, and conditions. A fast-charging 8-amp option is listed as supported in Boost model listings, which shortens charge time, though the included charger in all regions should be confirmed. The UK-EU legal version is capped at 250 watts motor output and 25 kilometers per hour, 15.5 miles per hour, assist mode per EU regulation, EN 15194. Yet in Boost versions globally, Engwe lists 75 Newton meters torque, which suggests the motor is hardware capable of stronger performance, but legally restricted in many regions. In limited mode, the motor delivers smooth, steady assistance. Beyond the speed cap, power drops off. Rider reports note strong hill, assist within legal limits, but performance tapers on steeper climbs under full load. The L20 Boost is marketed with durable components, foldable frame, suspension fork, disc brakes, often hydraulic in some markets, torque sensor for better pedal assist transitions, and integrated LED display. The foldability adds versatility for storage and multimodal transport. Some versions also tout IP ratings for partial water/dust resistance, puncture-resistant tires, and accessory compatibility, racks, fenders. Pros: legal 250-watt mode for UK-EU roads, enhanced torque spec, 75 Newton meters in Boost variant, folding plus suspension plus feature-rich build, removable battery plus good capacity. Cons: range depends heavily on assist level and terrain, heavier than lighter commuters. Fold hinge durability must be watched over long term. If you want a foldable, capable e-bike with decent torque but need to stay road legal, the Engwe L20 3.0 Boost in its 250-watt configuration is a compelling balance. It's ideal for commuters, apartment dwellers, or riders wanting comfort plus moderate off-road capability. If you live where boosted or unrestricted models are allowed, the extra torque specs may excite, but you trade legal simplicity. The L20 Boost is a strong choice in the folding e-bike category. This has been BrightReviewz. Check the link in the description and use code BrightReviewz to get a discount. Like, subscribe, and comment which e-bike you want me to review next.